Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ado and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about a skincare regime that we often tend to ignore. Yes, I'm talking about our lips. Now lips are skin, and because they are part of our skin, they need a skincare regime. Skin on our lips is particularly susceptible to environmental factors like wind, cold, and sun damage. And there is nothing that can make you more conscious about your appearance than dry and chapped lips. Your skin on the lips is much thinner and more sensitive than the rest of the part of your body. While most people suffer chapped lips during the winter season, it can happen any time of the year and for various reasons. Our lips does not have oil glands like the rest of the part of our body, and so it predisposes it to dryness and chapping of lips. And there comes the part of the lip balms. In today's video, I'll be talking about Vaseline Lip Therapy tints, which comes in different variants. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of using this lip balms, what this lip balm does, and I'm also going to tell you about the do's and don'ts so that your lips remain well hydrated throughout the year. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. So let me talk about the packaging first. The packaging comes in a tin container like this, which is environmental friendly. They come in 4 different variants, that is Vaseline Lip Therapy, the original Vaseline Lip Therapy Aloe, Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter, and Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I got my hands on 2 of these products. Both the products are priced at rupees 249. The net quantity of both the product is 17 grams and the shelf life of the product is 2 years. Now coming to the ingredients, in both the products, the ingredient list is not mentioned in anywhere in the packaging. I only know from the website that the Vaseline Lip Therapy, the original, is enriched with vitamin, whereas the Vaseline Lip Therapy Aloe is enriched with aloe vera. That is all about the ingredient list that we know. They should have mentioned the ingredient list of the products. Now, how does it open? You have to literally put pressure while opening the container. This is also one of the things that I didn't like about it. I have used already a lot of product in this, so let's see how to use this product. Now I always ensure to wash away or to clean away all the residue of any lipstick or any dirt from my lips. For this I ensure to use a washcloth, or I apply honey and sugar scrub because it literally takes away the dead dry skin from my lips. So as you can see that I don't have any residue of the lipstick or the lip tint that I have been wearing. So how do I use it? Open it. With this kind of packaging, you have to use your hands. So ensure that if you are using your hand, let your hands be really clean before you put in your hands because bacteria might easily seep into the skin of your lips. When you're outside, it is not always possible to clean your hands with soap. So I prefer carrying a lip brush along with me all the time whenever I carry this. Ensure that your lip brush is clean. Dip your lip brush in the lip balm and then apply it all through your lips. And there you have it. Ensure to clean your brush as soon as you have applied the lip balm because that will ensure that it is ready for the next time use. Now talking about this lip balm is literally very thick, but when you apply on your lips, it literally melts into your lips. This lip balm stays for a longer period of time if you're not eating anything. But even if you eat something, the lips literally remain very soft and very hydrated and moisturized. Now let me talk about the pros and the cons of the product. Now coming to the pros of the product comes in a very sturdy and environmental friendly packaging. It comes in 4 different variants. So I like the fact that it comes in the original care as well because people who are allergic to linoleum, this petrolatum based lip balm will not only hydrate and nourish their lips, but also they are free from fragrances and additive, which will help them to keep away from any allergic reaction. The price range is really convenient because of the nourishment and the moisturization it is providing. Now coming to the cons of the products, the lid of the product is really difficult to open, so you have to ensure that you just close it very lightly. Otherwise it will, to open it will take a lot of efforts. And the second thing is it should have come with a SPF. It does not have an SPF. It also do not help you with any discoloration of your lips. And that is what all I can think. But overall, if I have to say, I'm really in love with these products because these products are really convenient to carry. They also provide a very good lip moisturization. So I would really suggest you to grab your hands on this and try them out. They come in 4 different variants, whichever you like. But here is a disclaimer that always do a patch test before applying any skincare products on your skin. Now let us talk about the things that we can do to maintain the healthy lips throughout the year. The first thing I always believe is the kind of things that you intake, because your glow comes from within. Always ensure that you drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water. That will keep you hydrated, thereby maintain a healthy glow on your skin, even the skin on your lips. Eat a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Use a scrub based with sugar and honey to exfoliate the skin on your lips. It takes away the dry skin, hence revealing healthy and moisturized lip. Always carry a lip balm. A lip balm with SPF is a must while stepping out of the house. Now, another thing that we all do is licking our lips. Do not lick your lips, because when you lick your lips, the saliva contains digestive enzymes which might break down our lips' protective barrier. When using container-based lip balms like this, try and always use lip balms with clean hands. Try and apply the lip balm with a lip brush and then clean the lip brush with a napkin as shown in the video. And the last one is always use a protective layer. Use a lip balm before applying any lipstick of your choice. Your lips will always thank you for it. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.